So hi, today we're going to learn about TextWrap. So TextWrap is really useful library functions that we can use it from Python. So it is a strings library, right? So we can use it for wrapping a text like a string right here. We can wrap it up in 4 characters, and then group it together in in one group, so that we can have this type of string output, right? So if it doesn't have any it doesn't need to be like completely 4 characters, as long as uh, you know there's characters, then we can just edit there. So yeah, so it's a very good and useful library for wrapping a text. All right, this is how we're going to wrap the text. So we need the join, and we will have to use the new line, and then we will have to use the text wrap, and then dot we will use the wrap, and it will take string and max width, the width of the max. So that's the solutions. Let's see if it's working correctly. So yeah, it is. And every time there's a the length of the width, then it will just run the new um, the new line. So that's how we wrap the text, right? So in the list, well, basically in the string, inside a string, so the join will return a string, and basically between every every uh, the max width, every time the max width is reached, then it will insert the new line, right? So that's why we able to print it in a string, the constant string, right? So yeah, there you go. That's the solution for wrapping a text.